Today, I'll show you two ways to make text transparent in Canva. Select the text you want to edit, click the transparency icon in the toolbar at the top, use the slider to adjust the text's opacity, drag it to the left to make the text more transparent, drag it to the right to make it more visible. If you're looking for a more creative transparent text effect, here's another method. Add your text to the design, choose a bold font. Resize and position the text where you want it. Change the text color to white. Click Effects. Select Drop. Increase the transparency to 100. If you want a stronger effect. Duplicate the text. Once you're happy with the result, download the design as an image. Upload the image back into Canva. Delete the original text from your design. Next, add the background image you want to show through the text. Make sure both images are the same size. Click Apps. Search for Blend Image. Open the Blend Image app. Select the text image as the top layer. Then, select your background image as the bottom layer. Change the blend mode to multiply. Click Add to Design, and that's it. You've successfully created a transparent text effect in Canva. Thank you for watching.